Hi, I have something super exciting to share with you all. I discovered a fantastic game called Unlock the Scrambler, and I think it's the perfect thing to do with your girlfriend. Trust me, it's incredibly simple to play, yet incredibly addictive. Let me walk you through how it works. The whole game is about turning your girlfriend into your girlfriend. That's right, turn her into whatever you want her to be. You'll start by choosing her clothes, hairstyles, and accessories. And then you'll have the chance to unlock different skills and abilities that will make her even more like you. The more you play, the more it becomes a reflection of you and the more it becomes a part of your world. Now, you may be wondering, how do I get started? The game is available on both Android and iOS devices, so you can download it right now and start playing right away. Just search for Unlock the Scrambler in the App Store or Google Play, and you'll find it easily. I know it might sound a bit far-fetched, but trust me, it's a fantastic way to spend quality time with your girlfriend. And let her become a part of your life in a unique and fun way. Plus, it's a great opportunity to bond and create unforgettable memories. So what are you waiting for? Download Unlock the Scrambler for your Android or iOS device and let your girlfriend become your girlfriend most excitingly. Happy gaming!